Ebook website template with Divi. Two beautifully crafted ebook website templates using Divi, one premium and one free. Perfect for authors wanting to capture their audience's attention online. Before we start, if you haven't installed the Divi theme yet and need guidance, click on the link in the description below for a complete walkthrough. Begin with the first website, available in the Divi Marketplace. This delightful ebook template comes at a price of just $10. It's easily purchasable. Now, let's dive into the live demo, starting with a captivating hero section. It's a perfect stage to spotlight your ebook and grab the visitor's attention effortlessly. The design is engaging and optimized for conversions. Moving on to the book writer section, a dedicated space to introduce yourself and forge a personal connection with your readers. It's all about establishing that author-reader rapport. Next, the book topic section will let you summarize the essence of your book creatively, enticing readers to delve deeper and wanting to know more. The popular book section acts as a subtle call to action, perfect for showcasing other works you've published or related reads that keep your audience engaged. And lastly, the testimonial section, ideal for showcasing rave reviews from your readers, adding credibility, and encouraging others to pick up your ebook. Now, let's explore the fantastic free template option included with the Divi theme once you've downloaded and installed it. We start with an engaging hero section that sets the tone of your site, providing a memorable first impression and immediately drawing in your audience. Next, the About the Book section offers a succinct yet detailed insight into your ebook's narrative, designed to pique the curiosity of potential readers. The What's Inside section tantalizes with glimpses of what your book holds, enhancing the intrigue and prompting further exploration. Finally, the About the Author section provides a comprehensive background of your journey, building a bridge between you and your readership. If you're interested in learning how to create and edit this free website template with Divi, check the link in the description. It guides you through creating a modern website with Divi and WordPress. And that's it.